In this video, I'll explain how to generate QR code in 3 steps using the IDAutomation Barcode Generator for Excel. Compatible with Windows and Mac, the product generates a barcode using a formula that accesses VBA source code stored in the VBA editor. The video covers formatting the cell and creating the barcode. It does not cover downloading the product and importing VBA into Excel. With Excel open and VBA imported, format the field. Enter data to barcode into a cell. Enter the QR code formula and reference the cell that contains the data. After setting the first parameter, DataToEncode, place a comma and then enter a 1 to generate the barcode as a bitmap. Set the second parameter to 2 instead of 1, the barcode's generated using Excel shapes. Set the parameter to 3 to encode the data for the IDAutomation 2D barcode font. The font is included in the package and requires manual installation on the operating system to access the font in Excel. In this video, I used the barcode generator to produce a QR code in Excel. With the VBA source already imported, I formatted the field, entered the data, and entered the formula to create the barcode. For a step-by-step tutorial on how to create barcodes using the barcode generator for Excel, visit IDAutomation.com.